Hello, I'm the Convalescing Soul. Welcome to my channel. We are reading from the lovely carrot. Sorry, from Colette BARON-REID's guidebook. Who is a person, not a carrot. And we are reading the Spirit Animal Oracle. We are on card 52, which reduces to a 7. Ooh. Very cool. Scarab Beetle. Spirit. I think these are like a sacred beetle. I think are they common like in Egyptian art, maybe? I could totally be wrong. If I'm wrong, it's okay. I'm often wrong. Magic works through you. I think they're very common. I see them like in jewelry. Like I've seen like a scarab beetle, like a brooch or like a necklace or even like a ring. They're common in like jewelry also. It's almost like they're like a royal insect somehow. Okay. Magic works through you. Oh yeah, in ancient Egypt, here we go. I'm not just making stuff up. In ancient Egypt, the scarab beetle was revered. For the creative magic of the scarab beetle spirit reminds us that we bring forth something extraordinary, seemingly out of thin air. Cool. Whenever you let your creativity flow through you, Scarab Beetle Spirit reminds you that Spirit has given you the gift of infinite potential. Lucky you. You have an ally as you fashion something new or repurpose the old. For Spirit co-creates with you, channeling energy through you so that you feel replenished and vitalized as you make magic with what is at hand. Now is a time for great optimism, for you can accomplish anything you desire, and your creative endeavors will come to fruition. Miracles, opportunities, abundance, and love will appear seemingly out of nowhere as you allow Spirit to work through you and magically manifest what you need. It reminds me like sometimes there were these shows I watched on TV where they would just like have all these like random ingredients and they're like, just make something out of these things. Or, you know, sometimes you open the fridge and it's like anything that's in the fridge you're just gonna throw in a pot and make some like delicious soup or something. I feel like something connected to food. I feel like we should all go make or bake or cook something super yummy and creative just with whatever's in our fridge or whatever's in our pantry. Even if it's just taking an amalgamation of all the different cereal you might have, put it in a bowl, make like this funky new concoction of cereal. You know what I mean? It doesn't have to be complicated. It can be very simple. I think that'd be creative and fun. I love being creative with food. Yeah. Anyways, that was in my head. I think I'm hungry. Okay, here's the protection message for the scarab beetle. Do you doubt your unique inner magic? Are you afraid that you have no originality or the creative juices don't flow through you? perhaps you mistakenly believe you are not the creative manifesting type. Scarab Beetle's message is that creativity is a living force that comes to all of us from Spirit, who wants every person on the planet to manifest magic and co-create the world anew. You are as capable of resilience and innovation as anyone. If you do what you've always done, you're going to get what you've always got. So draw inspiration into your being and begin to playfully create something new. And do it without any judgment. Creativity and magic are your legacy as an expression of the Creator. So, let them flow through you. What a lovely message. I like the Scarab Beetle, and I don't like beetles, but I like this one. Here's to making something creative in your pot. Much love and many blessings.